The vlog starts.
You're the actor.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Dash's channel. I'm so excited today because we have Adi and Noor.
We were paid to come here.
You were paid?
Yes.
How much?
Come in Dash's movie.
Oh, not free?
Not free.
Okay. But today's trail should be like easy to moderate. This kind of level should be fine. And totally it's around 14 kilometers. And it's kind of flat, to be honest. Cheakamus Lake is a pretty beautiful lake. Has gorgeous color. It's magic. So we will see. Okay, so our leading actors today are Adi and Noor, and I am just the cameraman. So here's the one I just discussed with that gentleman that there's a Hellman Creek, right? See, and there's a bridge. It's kind of like famous. We can just take a look. And this way on the right, also just to the Garibaldi Lake. See?
I've come here before.
Really?
Yeah, in 2020.
Just this bridge?
Same bridge. Just this bridge. Not to the lake.
Oh, okay.
Alright, let's go.
Down? Yeah, I'm seeing you.
I see
right
you.
Here.
I see you.
Lunchtime now?
Kind of.
Semi-lunch.
Brunch.
Actually looks nice. Look at these beautiful legs. He's going to do some modeling. I am making his legs nice and shiny.
Hey, let's.
Bling bling.
Bling bling. It works. They touch my skin and they fly away. They don't sit anymore. So I guess it's good. See, he touched and he goes.
Yeah, nice.
Let's go.
Is this a stream?
Yeah.
Right? You want to jump in?
I would like to.
There will be a big lake for you to jump in.
Yes.
How do you feel now? Tired or not?
I'm okay.
Okay, awesome.
I'm okay. There's a very little uphill. So
Yeah.
that's good.
Just up and down, so.
Yes.
But this is a good one. It's just easy. And it's pretty cool here, I believe. Cooler than in the city, right?
Yes.
Actually, we need to make some noise during the trail. It's better. Because of the bear. Yeah, let's see if we can observe a bear or bears today. Oh, this is the first campsite. Oh, that's nice. Let's take a look. Oh, open view. See, nice. We also can see the snow mountain there. Can you see that? And now here reached the point that we can see the head of the lake, I think.
Is that the lake?
Yeah, here is just the lake.
See, the current is not so fast here. It's a wooden piece.
Did you get a good shot?
Nah.
Nope.
Nah.
Okay.
Oh, the wood is hollow? I think so.
Hollow? Oh,
But it is strong enough.
that should be fine. I believe so many people just went there before.
Yeah, but it's a hole here.
Try that one? Or yeah.
Oh, the photo?
Is that cold? Little bit? Oh.
But not as compared to the Garibaldi one.
That was freaking.
That was close to glaciers, right?
Oh yeah, direct from glacier. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is our destination. Singing Creek. Oh, that's to show you where to store that food to protect from the bear. Wow, see that big logs. I think it is rosin or not? Not rosin.
Resin?
Oh, it's sticky. You see?
So it's newly cut? Oh. Can some sap. Tree sap.
Why is it so hot out there, under the sun? Let's have an interview. How do you feel so far?
Good, a little bit tired.
A little bit tired? But it's manageable, huh?
Yeah. So the trail is not that difficult, but just tired from walking.
Awesome. Yeah, it's pretty flat.
Yeah.
Oh, so many flies. Oh my god.
Yeah, I didn't expect it.
I feel like they really bite. Tell me about yourself.
Myself. Hello, my name is Aditya. I am 25 years old. I have come here to Cheakamus Lake for the first time and doing a hike in more than a year. It's been more than a year since I did a hike, and I'm here with my friends Noor and Mr. Dash D, Mr. Dash Deng, professional photographer and pro driver. Noor is our pro driver. I am here because these are two cool people to hang out with. So I was like, why not?
Yeah, why not?
Why not?
No, these flies bite. They bite through my clothes.
They only bite you, Dash. They're my friends. Call me Lord of the Flies.
Because you have the box spray, right?
But they're sitting on me though.
Then they will not bite you. You taste poison. But they still can bite me from my clothes. How they did it? Weird.
Sharp.
I think they have teeth, right?
1, 2, 3, go!
We arrived, right? Singing Creek Campground. Yeah, we did it! Nice spot. Is that cold?
Huh?
Is it cold?
Yeah. But it's nice.
Did it. Come on in now. Okay, did it.
Let's go. Now we are going back. Right now it's around like 5 o'clock p.m. And we have like around 9 kilometers to go. That's a kind of long way. I thought it's just like 7 kilometers, but I'm not so sure why that is not accurate. We have to see this. See this now here. Yeah, that means this is 1 kilometers, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 4 kilometers more.
5 dash.
5?
Yeah, 5.
Oh. Yeah, we did it.
You did it.
Oh, congratulations.
Give a good hand to yourself for completing it, boys.
Oh, nice. I just checked the app. We just did 17.5 kilometers today. Yes, it's just like almost 3. I think 4 kilometers more. Almost.
You got 17, I got 16.82.
That's almost 17. Right? 17, let's say. Oh, back to the reality. No.
Snap back to reality. Go the ghost gravity. Go the ghost gravity.
How do you feel? How do you think about this trail?
It was good.
Oh,
This is a good hike.
Yep.
It was just so long.
So long.
Just not getting over.
Yeah, kind of long.
Yeah, very long.
3 kilometers longer than we estimated before. That's something interesting.
A little bit tiring when coming back.
Yeah.
Overall, it was good. Now we just need some water.
Yeah. There's some water.